Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delight's Nursery. And we have one of the largest collections of winter hardy ferns perhaps in the world. And this is one of my favorite ferns, certainly in the top 500. I'm being sarcastic, but it really is a favorite. This is Dryopteris australis, actually Dryopteris ex-australis, because it's a hybrid. Now it's a naturally occurring hybrid. It was not made by a human. It's a hybrid between Dryopteris celsa, the log fern, and Dryopteris ludoviciana. Ludoviciana is just a Latinized version of Louisiana. So I guess that fern might be called the Louisiana shield fern. I'm not sure about that. But it's a East Coast native. This is all this year's foliage. It's still sort of bright spring green. It will darken to a nice medium green and quite glossy. It's also an evergreen fern, though by late winter we cut the foliage away. Because it's evergreen, but the fronds only live 1 year. And so this is all this year's foliage. It's approaching close to 4 feet tall. I am standing up, I am not on my knees. And and because it's a hybrid, it doesn't reproduce by spores and can only be reproduced by division. So it's hard to ever produce a large amount of it, but if you see it for sale, grab it or pay for it. And this is a spot where it has a few hours of sun in midday. It's a soil that is somewhat moist. It prefers a moist site, but it is also very tolerant of dry shade, but looks its best in a moist location. I don't know how many plants were planted to make this mass, and it might be 20 years old. It is not a rampant spreader. It will steadily make a slightly wider clump. It takes many years to get this big, so it's not one that you'll be chasing around the gardens. It's a well-behaved fern. Dryopteris australis is a really great and easy garden fern. Oh, and I should add, australis does not indicate it's from Australia. Australis means southern, and that's why Australia got named Australia. But this is an East Coast North American native fern. Thank you, and I hope to see you again in the garden.